Guys, welcome to my birthday vlog. I actually forgot I wanted to film for you guys. I set up the camera and forgot to click record. So right now I'm getting ready to go for basically brunch because it's already 11 o'clock. My boyfriend woke me up with a bunch of gifts, and you guys, now I have a kitty. I would introduce y'all. I'm probably gonna introduce y'all sometime during the vlog. Right now he's just hiding in my bathroom, like behind the toilet, because he's a kitty and that's what cats do. But I cried. Like, this is the first time I actually cried about any gift, because, well, I teared up about a gift before, but this was just like a different, like, I don't know, this was a different kind of gift. I was not expecting a kitty. But I got a bunch of really sentimental gifts that I maybe we'll share with you guys in a little bit, but I wanted to bring you guys along for my birthday this year. It's gonna be weird because I'm not doing much. I'm just gonna go out to eat basically like the whole day, but you guys, I love to eat, so I'm happy about that. And I'm happy to just get out. So right now I'm just doing makeup. No. Hey guys, so this is my little kitty. I don't have a name for him quite yet. I have like 3 in mind that I'm thinking about right now. But this is him. He is 5 weeks old. 5 weeks, and yeah, he's adorable. I think he's, you said Persian and Australian?
Yeah.
He's mixed. He's a mixed kitten. He's Persian and Australian. So he looks actually really cool. I don't think the camera's doing his coat justice, but this is him. He's really little. And I'm so happy. So you guys met him. I'll give you guys his name later when I really figure that out. So I also dyed my hair. Well, yeah, I bleached and dyed my hair. I'm gonna tag the TikToker that I saw do this, and I saw her do it with pink. Like, as soon as I saw that video, I was like, this is what I'm doing for my birthday. Not in pink, because I had pink last year, but I was like, yeah, I just love it because it's like a hidden color, and I had something like this before with blue. And I'm gonna keep changing the color up now that I have this part bleached. But yeah, I am ready. I'll show you guys my outfit maybe when I'm outside. But the quality is going to change a little bit because I'm moving on to my iPhone now because I'm about to head out and this camera's too big. You guys know the story. So I'll see you guys later, and yeah. Okay, you guys, so we just came out of the pet store after we had our little brunch. We could not, well, I just chose not to film there because it was like really close and like tight. So right now we're just gonna head back and see what the little kitten is doing. We got him some toys and stuff. But anyway, we got some toys and some food. We have food already, but we got some toys because he has no toys right now. And a collar. So I'm gonna show you guys when I get back home. Hey guys, so I had a quick change of outfit. I just have this black dress on, and we are at another restaurant. We actually stayed home for a couple hours. I was playing with the cat and trying to figure out, because this was not the dress I was supposed to wear, but this is the dress I have to wear because the other one just didn't work out. But anyway, we're here and we're gonna have some drinks before we head to our reservation at like 8 o'clock. Right now it's about 6, so I'll show you guys the drinks when I get it. But I also decided to go with the side part right now. This orange looks so fire. Hold on. It looks so good. Alright, so we at BBP, and I have no idea where we're going because I know all the restaurants here. I'm just confused as hell.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kendra. Happy birthday to you. Blow it out. Blow it out. Is that KissedByKen? Is that KissedByKen? She's scared!
Hey guys! So it is 2 days later, September 2nd, and I am just now editing my birthday vlog. One of my nails fell off. I realized I never close out the vlog, so I just wanted to just do that really quickly. And of course, I'm on my phone because I was already filming on my phone. And it's a vlog, so it can be informal. At least I feel like. But good news is one of my birthday gifts from my godmom and my godbrother was a vlog camera. So now I'm gonna be vlogging a lot more, and it's gonna be great. I'm excited about that. I wonder if you guys would like me to share all my birthday gifts. I'm not really crazy about doing that because it just doesn't matter, but I know some people like those kinds of videos, so let me know if you guys want to know what I got. You guys already know I have my little kitty. He's driving me nuts. Like, I have a scratch there. That's a bite mark. I actually pulled away when he bit me because his teeth is so sharp. And yeah, he's driving me nuts, but I love it. He's so cute. But anyway, yeah, I wanted to close this vlog and just talk about my birthday a little bit because I am really so grateful, and like every birthday I just get amazed and surprised by the people that are in my life, and just by life. Like I just become so grateful and full of just joy. Like my heart becomes so full every year, every birthday, and this birthday was amazing, as you guys seen in the vlog. Went out to eat for brunch, picked up some toys for the kitty, and then came back home to play with him, and then got ready and went back out for some drinks and then dinner, and I was surprised with my family, and then after that we just hung out. I didn't vlog much after because all we did was really hang out, and I wanted to be more present. I didn't want to just be filming all the time because I was around my family. So anyways, thank you guys for all the birthday wishes. I seen them all. I'm still going to reply, even if it's a couple of days later. I'm going to reply to all of the birthday wishes, and hopefully I get to each and every one of you. I really do appreciate it, and I don't want to keep saying stuff like the love never goes unnoticed and all of these kinds of things because everybody online says that. But I really just want to say that I am so grateful and thankful for each and every one of you. And I hope you guys can feel my appreciation through these camera lens. And every time I make a video or post a picture, I am really so grateful for all of you guys for supporting me on this journey. And again, thank you guys so much for the birthday wishes. I'm excited. I'm already feeling so good about 28. I feel so content and happy in a way that I've never felt before. It's like I kind of understand the meaning of life now in so many different ways that I can talk about in another video, but I'm just so grateful. My heart is so full, and I'm just so thankful for all of you and for just being here and being alive and just living this life. So thank you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed my birthday vlog. Thank you. Let's see what we have in store for 28.
much pain up in this blunt, can't put it in rotation. Number bitches try to front, but them little bitches basic. If my opposition's front, just know them niggas fake. I get money, I can't fund love, cause these bitches be playing. Too much pain up in this blunt, can't put it in rotation. Number bitches try to front, but them little bitches basic. If my opposition's front, just know them niggas fake. I get money, I can't fund love, cause these bitches be playing.
They don't want you to win, they want you to lose. Gotta keep it quiet when you bustin' your moves. Feelings got me aching.